Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're looking at a 2013 Lexus ES350. This one's white. Underneath there's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 268 horsepower. For wheels we've got 17-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Leather interior, sunroof. ES350 badging in the back. Opening up the tailgate. We've got a clean set of floor mats, all season and regular. Wood trim, memory seats, power windows, power seats. Hopping in, we've got a wood and leather steering wheel controls, push start ignition, media display, rear view backup camera, navigation, hard keys for our media display, dual climate controls, heated and cooled seats. This ES350 has 83,898 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of it, check out feldmanimports.com.